Good morning, dear students. Hearty welcome to today's class. In the last class, we have discussed various formats of files, the file extensions, and the process of sorting files in computer. Students, in today's class, we will study how do we work with multiple applications. What's the topic of today's class? Working with multiple applications. We know Windows is a multitasking operating system. Windows is a multitasking operating system. What is called a multitasking? Yes, we can work with a number of applications at the same time. So multitasking means working with several applications at the same time. How do we can work with several applications at the same time? Let us see. Sometimes we need to work with multiple applications at the same time. For example, you are asked to create a PowerPoint presentation on the topic Presidents and Vice Presidents of India since Independence. Suppose your teacher has given a project work to create a PowerPoint presentation on the topic Presidents and Vice Presidents of India since Independence. So here we need some help from the internet to collect the information about the topic. Here we must work with two application windows at the same time. So for creating the PowerPoint presentation based on the topic Presidents and Vice Presidents of India since Independence, we need to work with two application windows at the same time. What are those two application windows that we have to work? Yes, one is a presentation software like MS PowerPoint and a web browser like Google Chrome to search and collect information on the topic. So Windows allows us to open multiple applications and work in them at the same time. How do we work with multiple applications at the same time? Let us see. Students, let us go through the steps for working with multiple windows. How do we work with multiple windows? Yes, let us see. The first step, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Suppose if you want to work with PowerPoint and Google Chrome, first of all, we need to open the first application, that is here, Microsoft PowerPoint. Next, open Google Chrome by double-clicking on its icon on the desktop. Next, we need to open the second application, that is Google Chrome here, to work with. And the third step is that right click on the blank area on the taskbar. You have to right click on any spot of the blank area of the taskbar. What is called taskbar? Yes, you know, taskbar is the bar that is located at the bottom of the desktop that contains start button. Taskbar is the bar that located at the bottom of the desktop that contains start button. So you must right click on the blank area on the taskbar. So then after clicking on the blank area of the taskbar, you will get a menu, you will get a shortcut menu. From the menu you have to select show windows side by side. Which option? Show windows side by side option from the shortcut menu. Both application windows will be displayed side by side. Now we can browse information on the topic from the Google Chrome window and use it in the presentation window, that is PowerPoint, and can work with it. So this is how do we work with multiple windows. How do we work with multiple windows? First, open Microsoft PowerPoint, for example. Next, open Google Chrome, the second application. Right click on the blank area on the taskbar. Then, from the shortcut menu, select Show Windows Side by Side option. And then you can work with the two windows will be displayed side by side, and you can work with both applications at the same time. Okay, I think you follow the steps. Dear students, now we are going to see a trial of how do we work with multiple windows. As said in the example, I need to create a PowerPoint presentation based on the topic Presidents and Vice Presidents of India in MS PowerPoint. And at the same time, I need to get help from the internet on the topic by using Google Chrome. So first, I need to open MS PowerPoint application. So first, open PowerPoint window. Yes, I am opening PowerPoint application. The PowerPoint window is opened. I am asked to create a presentation on the topic Presidents and Vice Presidents of India, but I need help from the internet to collect the information about the topic. So I need to open Google Chrome to search on the internet. The Google Chrome window is opened. I write the search topic here, Presidents and Vice Presidents of India. Yes, I need to collect information on the topic, the former presidents and vice presidents of India, their term, all this. Now, I need to work with these two applications at the same time. So, for this, I right click on the blank area in the desktop. I right click on the blank area in the desktop. Yes, a shortcut menu is displayed. From the shortcut menu, we need to select the option Show Windows Side by Side. Which option we need to select? We need to select the option Show Windows Side by Side option. So I am selecting the option Show Windows Side by Side. See, the two windows are displayed side by side so that we can work with both applications. I can collect information from the web browser, from the internet, and can use that information and can generate and can develop a presentation. Okay, this is how do we work with multiple applications. So which option is used for that? The option used is Show Windows Side by Side. Show Windows Side by Side. You need to learn the contents, the topics, the answers of this lesson well and thorough. On next class, we'll have a test paper based on this chapter. All of you must be prepared for the test paper. We bind up today's class. Thank you.